Go, Robert. Okay. Let's see, guys, if we will reach that falls, if it is accessible. So let's go, guys. Lisod man drag yan, hoy. Come on, let's go. Oh. Come on, let's go. Plaster sa plaster. Straight ang likod, ha. Bantay, ma. Okay. Robert. Let's go, guys. Let's see. Robert is strong. Agil, ay lagi.